Norton Leatherman Spine, a deep-rooted legacy beginning with Dr. Kenton D. Leatherman, the first in Kentucky to surgically repair scoliosis some 80 years ago. Today, a leading multidisciplinary team, orthopedic spine surgeons, neurosurgeons, pain specialists, and advanced practice providers carry that mission forward.
With innovations like robotic and minimally invasive surgeries, low radiation EOS imaging, nationally and internationally renowned fellowship program, Norton Leatherman Spine remains at the cutting edge.
Our surgeons are global thought leaders, presenting groundbreaking research worldwide, shaping the future of spine care.
With more than 4,000 surgeries performed annually, our team collaborates across specialties to deliver seamless, trusted outcomes.
Comprehensive patient-centered care, from non-surgical treatment and back and neck pain clinics to complex surgical solutions. Always guided by what matters most, our patients.
Norton Leatherman Spine, where heritage, innovation, compassion, and expertise fuse together.
To learn more, visit nortonleatherman.com.